Hello students and instructors, my name is Nate with Wi-Fi CFI, and in today's quick tutorial video I'm going to show you how to access and utilize the CheckRide lesson plans on Wi-Fi CFI. They're very easy to get to. All you got to do, go to WiFiCFI.com and you scroll down to our CheckRide lesson plan section. So you see this first section is study courses, that's these 6. Right below it is our CheckRide lesson plans. We got CFI, CFII, MEI. All right. You can jump into the CFI lesson plans course by clicking this blue study this course button, this one for CFII or this one for MEI, and it'll take you straight into the course. Or alternatively, you can get to them by going to my account and then clicking lesson plans. The only difference between the front page and then this back page is that on this back page, it'll say if you've enrolled in the course or not. So if you've enrolled in the CFI lesson plans, it'll say you're a participant. If you haven't, it won't say anything right here. All right. We're just going to jump in and show you the CFI lesson plans today to save time, but know that they are all organized in the exact same format. So they all work in the exact same way, whether you're in CFI, CFII, or MEI add-on. But we'll just show you the CFIs. Okay. First thing you're going to see when you jump into the course are some free sample lessons. All right. So if you have not purchased this course yet, you can look at all of these lessons in green for free. Test them out, see if you like them, see if they're for you. All right. If you have purchased the course, you've made a purchase, just completely ignore this section. You don't have to do anything with it. It does not apply to you because you have access to all of these lessons along the left-hand side of the page. Next section is the getting started section. We got the tutorial video right here. You got the organization and flow, talks about what lessons are mandatory versus optional, how to search for specific topics in lessons. If you want to search, say we got a search tool right there. We've got our recent course updates. So anytime we make an update to this course or to these lesson plans, we will list it here with the date that it was changed. So if you're ever wondering, I wonder if they've changed anything in the course or in the lessons, jump into here and you'll be able to see everything that we've done recently. The big one, download and customize. This is the only spot in the course that you can download and customize lesson plans. And I know that is a big driver for a lot of students. You cannot do it at any other section in the course. Okay, you've got to do it here. This is where you download and customize. But it's very simple. You just click this link and it'll walk you through the steps of downloading and customizing the PowerPoints, the PDFs, and the Word document lesson plans. All right, hopping into the next sections here. We've got Area of Operation 1, Fundamentals of Instruction, Area of Operation 2, Technical Subject Areas, and so on and so forth. And these follow the layout of the CFI ACS. So you don't need to be confused. We didn't make up our own format or our own organization here. We just took the CFI ACS and we organized it right here on the website. Okay. So AO1, Fundamentals of Instruction. Here's a little section overview. You can go ahead and kind of read through this. And it will just give you a general overview about what the ACS says and about mandatory and optional lessons that are within this section. Great. Then you're going to come down into the individual lessons. So task A, effects of human behavior and communication. We have the ACS requirement. It's optional. We've got our note or suggestion. So if you're wondering how we would use this lesson plan on the CheckRide, we've listed that right here. Okay. And then you can either teach or download and edit this lesson. And then you've got the FAA study resources right here. So these are the different FAA handbooks that have basically been used in the creation of this lesson. So if you just want to teach it online, click teach this lesson right here. Pop open another page, and on this page it's just going to ask you how you want to teach it. Do you want to teach it in PowerPoint format, PDF format, or Word document format? It's very easy. You just click one of these and it'll open like here's the PDF for the lesson. All right, and then you can go through it and teach it. Again, if you want to download it, you can click this green button and it's just going to take you to the terms and conditions with this link that, again, will walk you through these steps of downloading and customizing. And that's it. Every lesson and every section is laid out in the same way. We've always got a section overview, and then we'll have these lessons. You click here, and it'll pop up and ask you if you want PowerPoint, PDF, or Word document. They're all laid out the exact same way. If you want to go through and like mark lessons complete, that's an option as well. So if you're like, okay, I have completed my visual scanning and collision avoidance lesson, I'm good with it, I'm good with how it feels, you can go ahead and mark it complete. It'll put a little check mark next to it here, and show you, it'll update your course progression completion up top as well. If you ever want to mark it incomplete for whatever reason, you can go ahead and click change to incomplete, removes the X, and updates everything up top. Lastly, so again, all these sections, all these lessons laid out in the same way that we've already shown you. But lastly, we do have one more section, makes and models. Right now, we just have one make and model, and that's our Cessna 172S. But we're going to be adding more makes and models here. All right. So with these makes and models lessons, you can take the slides that are in these lessons and put them into any of these lessons above if you would like to. All right. So if you're flying a Cessna 172S on your check ride and you're like, oh, I want to customize the airplane flight controls lesson to what's listed in Cessna 172S, just copy and paste these PowerPoint slides into the airplane flight controls lesson. And we'll continue to add more models here. This is kind of a new thing. Cessna 172S is just the one that we've started with. So if you're ever curious if we have new ones, come into Makes and Models and you'll see it listed right here. And again, you'll see in the Getting Started section of the course, we'll have it listed in the recent course updates. That is everything for our check ride lesson plans. So thank you for joining us, guys, and blue skies and tailwinds to all of you.